So let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Walking, hiking. Oh, ganda-ganda naman. Eto, tingnan nyo talaga. Take your litter home. So dito sa Hong Kong, talagang merong mga ganyan kasi bawal yung magtapon ka ng basura. Pag nakita ka ng pulis, meron kang premyo. So yung road nila, kahit ano public road yan, talagang malinis. As in. Stunning view of Hong Kong Reservoir. Hong Kong Island Reservoir. Ang ganda, blue-blue ang kulay na, ang linis. Uh, from starting point, 20 minutes walking. Stunning talaga. Ang ganda. Lalakarin ko pa yan. Paikot papunta doon. Layo pa yan, mga 1 hour pa siya. Pero napakaganda daw doon sa dulo. Kaya let's go! So this is the starting point going to Reservoir. If you want to go to Reservoir, you will go down to the bus station from here and then walking, go through about 30 minutes. You have a very good view from here. So this is the point. If you want to get through the map, going to Makelhus Trail starting point. This is the starting point going to the trail. Oh my gosh, this is the map. This is amazing. So big area to explore, but it is so exciting, but I cannot take it in a long time. So this is the map. As you can see, there's the red one.